Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up and start mining with Pi Network, step by step. First, download the Pi Network app from the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Now, search for Pi Network. Make sure you select the official Pi Network app. It should have the correct developer and the Pi logo. Tap Install or Get, and wait for it to download. Once it's installed, tap Open. Now, we need to sign up. You have two options, continue with phone number or continue with Facebook. I'll use the phone number option for this tutorial. Select your country code and enter your phone number. Next, enter your email and verify your email. Then create a strong password. Remember, it should be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password. Now, enter your first and last names as they appear on your official ID. This is important for future KYC verification. Choose a unique username. This is what you'll use to invite others, and it can't be changed later. Tap Submit. You'll be asked to enter an invitation code to join Pi Network. I recommend using my code, Addisurgent, which you'll find on the screen and in the description below. By using this code, you'll receive 1 Pi coin and a boost. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached the conclusion of this comprehensive tutorial, guiding you through the initial registration, application download. We invite you to subscribe to our Bitcoin Global 3.14 channel for ongoing updates and educational content related to the evolving world of Pi and cryptocurrency. Thank you once again for your valuable time. We look forward to sharing further insights with you in our forthcoming videos. Goodbye.